Good morning students. Today we'll start with standard 2 subject EVS. We'll start with the next lesson, lesson number 2.3 clean water. In the previous lesson we have seen how from where do we get the water and how it is purified and how does it come to our homes. Now we'll see about clean water. We must make sure that our water is clean and pure. We must drink only clean water. You should always take care that you should drink clean water. Water can be purified by boiling and also by filtering. Nowadays water is also purified using electronic water filters. Many of us might have been having water filters in their houses. This is for the purpose to purify the water. At home, water can be stored in clean vessels or clean pots. Everyone in a house, we have seen that everyone stores water, some in the pots, some in the vessel, but we too store water. The water that is being stored, it should also be covered with a clean plate or a clean cloth. You should never leave it uncovered. You should cover it with a clean plate or a clean cloth. A clean glass must be used for removing water from the vessel. Whenever you remove water from the vessel, you should take care that you use a clean glass to take out the water. We make the water impure by bathing, washing clothes, throwing waste in the lakes and rivers. And due to this impure water, we get sickness and disease. We have seen, in this picture, that in the villages, what do usually farmers do? They wash the clothes in the rivers, they also wash their animals, utensils, and all this work is being done in water. What do this do? This impures the water. It does not keep the water clean and not even safe for any other work. So, you should always keep the water clean so that it can be healthy for everyone. Because impure water can make you sick and it can also make you unhealthy. You must not waste water. This is also very important, that you should always preserve water and you should take care of it. You should not waste water. Use water only when it is needed. Whenever you only need water, then only you should take the water. If you see any tap running anywhere or you have left a tap, you should close it whenever you see it. Water used for washing vegetables or grains can be used for watering plants. Whenever you wash vegetables or you wash grains, what do you do with the water? You throw it. But what should you do? You should not throw it. You can use that water to water the plants. We have finished with the lesson, and the question answers that is given on page number 23. The answers will be given to you at the end of this video. You have to complete this book and also your notebook.